Introducing automated property descriptions. Descriptions that highlight the most captivating aspects of properties to provide clarity and convince clients. Powered by a GPT neural network, our technology generates proven, sales-driven property descriptions. By harnessing the power of camera 3D scans, we extract valuable insights, including area information, floor plans, and even detected furniture arrangements. We take it a step further by automatically incorporating detailed information about the surrounding areas, such as hospitals, schools, and popular tourist attractions. You can enhance these generated descriptions by adding your own details, and you have full control of editing them according to your preferences. Change text style, language, and optimize it for social media. Then bring these descriptions to life by automatically generating an audio narration, providing the perfect voiceover for promotional videos and listings.
Superb location. Step inside to a welcoming hallway that leads to a cozy open-concept living area. The room features distinctive arched windows that pour in ample natural light, illuminating the kitchen space. Equipped with modern amenities, a conveniently located bathroom with a shower is also available on this floor. The two spacious bedrooms are situated on this floor.
This advanced machine learning system prioritizes convenience, simplicity, and speed, enabling you to effortlessly achieve captivating property descriptions. Simply press Scan on the camera, and you'll receive the perfect description, ready for publishing.